my host. Thank you for inviting me. Glad to be here. What are we gonna tackle for today?
Oh, I think someone is excited for the news. Well, it's about the good news around this world.
What's really about the good news, and what do you mean by that?
Should I tell you a story?
I would love to hear it.
Well, in my opinion, getting noticed by the homeless people I've helped so far is a good news. It's because they still notice me whenever they see me, and it feels like they really appreciate the kindness to them.
Wow, that's a very heartbreaking story of yours.
Do you have something to share or motivate some people?
Well, I just want to say to people out there that stay positive and always do good.
Well, we still have time. I think we need some guests for us to go on.
You're right, I think a friend of mine should introduce him.
Okay.
Let me introduce your guy, Mr. Reagan.
Please stand in, Mr. Humphrey.
Hi. What's up, everybody? Special to our host, Dave Biden, and thank you for letting me speak. And of course, to Mr. Mark Angelo for choosing this again. Right there.
So, since you just came in, I'll tell you more about the topic. You really need it.
Yes.
So, our topic is about all the good news in this world. So, what are your feedback for our topic and ability about our topic?
Well, it's an interesting topic to go for, especially for your show. We talk about a lot of topics
Yes.
which throughout your show. And I just mentioned this topic from the first beginning. Your show was an actual inspiration for my friend.
So, you know that
Yeah. She was doing that people at that time. But when you watch your show, you just got back to starting with.
I'm so amazing. We got smile for you.
It's really interesting. Now that's literally my own story to give you your own story. I'm done.
Thank you so much, Margaret. Now that we still have time, let me introduce you to Miss Angelica. Once again, please welcome Miss Angelica.
Thank you so much, host. Hello everyone, my name is Angelica Mario and I'm super glad to be here speaking to everyone in the world.
So, before we continue, I will be switching with my co-host. Miss Rising up, Mr. Angela.
Thank you host for letting me cooperate with our second guest.
Nice to meet you, host.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Mark Angelo. Now I will tell you our topic. Are you interested in hearing me?
Of course, I love to hear.
So it's about the good news around this world. Would you like to tell us about positivity?
Of course, it will be my pleasure to share since there are so many negative things happening to us. I hope our society will use positivity and for all of us to help and communicate with each other.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica, for motivating to people out there. Now let's call back Miss Ryzen for someone feedback and a little speech. Mrs. Kevin.
Thank you so much, co-host. I just wanted to say that stay positive and always spread kindness.
Thank you for that wonderful speech, Miss Ryzen. Well, that is for today.
Thank you so much for listening. Outdoor out.
It's really about
Please step in, Miss Margaret.
Once again, please welcome Miss Angelica. Thank you so much, host. Hello everyone, my name is Angelica Mario and I'm super glad to be
Thank you host for letting me cooperate with our second guest.
Nice to meet you, Homo.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Mark Angelo. Now I will tell you. Game.
Once again, let me introduce you, Liz Angelica.
Thank you host for letting me cooperate with our second guest.
Nice to meet you, Homo.
Nice to meet you. Nice to
Thank you all for
Yes, masipag. Sipag naman. Very mabait.